Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. Today we're going to be installing the OEM Subaru Vortex Generator on our 2022 BRZ. So I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer. You can see how easy this thing is to install. So our BRZ here is pretty freaking dirty, but thankfully Subaru gives you some alcohol wipes to install this with. So we're going to go ahead, open up our alcohol wipe. They give you two of these, so we're actually going to just use one, go over the entire thing, and then we'll come back and do the second one. Try and go in straight passes. If you go in circular motion, you may scratch the paint outside of where the Vortex generator is going to sit, and you don't want to do that. Okay, this one got pretty dirty, so we're just going to go back over it with the second one. Since we have two, we might as well use them. Looks pretty clean, but better safe than sorry. So Subaru is very nice. They went ahead and made this super easy for us. So the 3M tape on the back, if you're familiar with 3M tape, usually you kind of have to peel it, stick it, and where it is where it is. You're kind of screwed. Subaru left all these long tails coming off of the 3M tape and stickers to hold it down to the Vortex generator. So we can sit this thing down. Now where you put this is completely up to you. It's 100% subjective. You don't have to put it any certain way. You're not going to have to put it like this. You know, some people might want to bring it the whole way down to their window, but then you are going to have a slightly bigger gap right here behind your antenna. You could also bring it tight up against the antenna, and you know, it's just completely up to you. I'm going to try and make an even gap all around the antenna. So the sides and the back, I'm going to try and have all even. So you're not going to need any help with this, and I'll show you in a second how easy this is. I don't know if you can see me over there, but we're going to take, and once we peel up one of these, we're going to just pull this tail while keeping some pressure, not a lot, on the Vortex generator. Leave that alone. Going to pull this tail. Perfect. We have this pretty much down. Now we're going to take and pull this tail. And if you have to lift up a little bit to get it started, that's fine. And you're just going to work your way all around this thing, pulling these little tails off. Okay, now we're going to come to this side. I'm going to actually lift up on this because this one here is kind of difficult, but right there's all we needed to do. Going to pull this again, make sure it's even where you want it. Now we're going to pull this all the way down. Pull that tab. Because basically if Subaru wouldn't have done it this way, you would either have to do it yourself and create these ends that you could pull, or you'd be left basically undoing all the tape and trying to stick it and get it right the very first try, which is not very practical or possible. It takes a lot of patience. This is so much easier. Push that down and boom, we're good to go. It's that simple. So in just a second, I'm going to take you around so you can see what this thing looks like. But if you are looking to purchase one for yourself, we do have them at importimageracing.com. You can go ahead and click the link in our description, and that'll take you right to where you can get one of these.